Wall Street is hovering around the flat line. The Dow and S&P 500 point to a higher open. After this week's record run, key events are awaited. Earnings and data are in the spotlight, but it's all about decisions. President Trump is expected to announce his pick for the 2018 head of the U.S. Fed Reserve. Meanwhile, Republicans in the U.S. House of Representatives are expected to release a tax bill. Looking at the previous session, U.S. indices closed mixed. The Fed Reserve left rates unchanged and also left the door open for a rate hike to occur at its meeting in December. In the previous session, shares in the tech, hardware, equipment, utility, telecom, communication services were under pressure. Meanwhile, we saw shares in the energy, household, and personal products, as well as food and staples retailing, gaining momentum. 54% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. And in the latest company news, Facebook is set to reverse after-hours gains today. The company reported positive third-quarter results, but concerns about the outlook increased. This came as Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg pledged to crack down on nefarious activity on the social network after the Russia campaign to manipulate the 2016 presidential campaign. Zuckerberg warned investors that efforts to secure Facebook will significantly cut into profits. And meanwhile, looking at Tesla, the company posted a sharp decline in third-quarter earnings and revenue top forecasts. Still, Tesla's Model 3 production capacity of 5,000 vehicles per week has been pushed back to Q1 of next year. In overseas markets, the Nikkei gained over 0.5%, the Hang Seng was down a little over 0.25%, and South Korea's Kospi lost 0.4%. European indices are consolidating today. Here in the U.S., the Nasdaq is in the spotlight. The bullish buy stands above 62.05. Long positions above that level are preferred, with targets standing at 62.55 and 62.85 in extension. For the Dow Industrials, it is supported by a rising trend line, and for the S&P 500, a rebound is expected.